We are going from here. I don't like that. Hold on a second. There we go. Name to formula. Okay? Brian, quit picking your nose. Yes, that will be on the screencast, by the way. All right, now, as we're doing this, we want to look at our name to formula. So we're going to go ahead and let's go ahead with an easy one. I have sodium chloride. There's my name. Now, before I go ahead and go name to formula, we need to figure out which type of compound this is. What are our two main types, RJ? Ionic is one. Okay. Woo! Hold on. Let's get this on here. Ionic, and what's the other one? What is it? No. What are my two main types? Ionic is between a positive and negative. Yes, thank you. Covalent. Between two nonmetals. This is not the $6 million compound, ladies and gentlemen. Bionic. Okay, so I have my ionic and my covalent. So I have to identify this one first. Is this ionic or covalent? Ionic. How do you know it's ionic? I have a metal in front. Boom, sodium's a metal. Okay, so I know it's ionic. Okay?
That's it?
Well, no, this is just to identify it first. All right? So sodium's a metal. It's ionic. What do I do next?
Find the charge.
I need the charge. What is the charge of sodium? Positive 1. Okay. What's the anion? It's negative 1. Chlorine is negative 1. Okay. What do I do next?
Name it.
Well, this is the name. I want to put it in formula.
Leave it.
So what are the symbols? Na.
CO.
Do I need to do anything for my subscripts?
No.
No, they balance out. Net charge equals 0. Boom. Which type of ionic compound is this? We had multiple. Come on, Sugar Ray, tell me.
Wait, what?
Yeah, boxer over there. What type of ionic compound is this? There's a lot of dead air on our screencast. No one's sure about what type of ionic compound this is?
Binary.
It's a binary ionic compound. I only have two metals. And the first one's from the main group, right? Okay. Is that clear thing? Any questions on that? No? All right, let's move to another one. Boom. Okay, so if I were to give you, let's go ahead and pick something. Like that. I have calcium iodide. I want to put that in formula form. What's our first thing, Brennan?
Write the symbols.
Okay.
CA.
Okay.
Then write the charge.
What's the charge for calcium? the charge for iodine?
-1.
What do I do with those charges?
Yeah, flip-flop.
All right, crisscross. All right. So where's the 1 goes here? Where's the 2 go?
The other one.
Here. So what is my... I'm going to rewrite it again. We good? Does that make sense? David, you look perplexed. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Robert?
That's okay.
Okay. All right. Moving on then. Natalie, does that make sense? Okay, next one's yours, Natalie. Here you go. Let's go with... Okay, Natalie, I have potassium oxide. First thing I do. What is the symbol for potassium, Natalie? Okay. So I write down the symbol. What's the symbol for oxide? What is oxide? Yeah, oxygen. Okay, what's our next step? I have the symbols. What's the charge of potassium?
+1.
What's the charge of oxygen? -2. And then we crisscross. Okay? So potassium gets what subscript? Look on the board as I'm doing it. What subscript does potassium get? No, it's not a minus, but it's just a 2. And what about oxygen? Do I need to put the 1 though? No. That's my answer. Good? Questions on anyone's part? Eric? No questions? Okay. I see Brennan looking up his grades, and I'm not sure what he's doing here.
We all know you.
Oh, you're in Chase. Oh, that's even better. Uh-huh. Yeah, you don't have enough money to pay for your grade in this class, by the way. Okay? All right. So the last 2 we've done binary ionic compounds. And it looks like that we have a pretty good understanding on how to do this. Is there any clarifications you guys need? No? Okay. Moving on. So our ionic compounds here, we're going from still name to formula. Let's go with, let's be. This is why I need to wear glasses. Wow. Left them at home. Okay. Let's pick on Robert. Let's pick on Robert Day. First thing you do. MG. What is the symbol for? What is MG a symbol for? For you're right. It's for magnesium. But what do I have up there? Not magnesium. What is it? I'm sorry. Okay. All right. What's the next step? I'm sorry?
The charge is 3
For what?
for MN.
For manganese? You don't like saying manganese, do you? Okay. And so I have to charge for manganese. What's next?
The charge for sulfide.
Sulfur. That's just what it is sulfide when I write it out. The actual element is sulfur. So the charge for sulfur is -2. Okay. So I have my charges. What do I do next? I crisscross. Okay.
So then manganese would be 2. And sulfur would be a 3.
Good. Any questions about that?
Yeah.
Eric, you look stoically concerned.
No, I'm tired.
You're tired. Okay, that's your tired. Giselle, you get this? Okay, Brennan?
Yeah.
No. Any questions? Make sense? Or are you still thinking about your Chase account?
I'm just, yeah.
Are you overdrawn?
No,
No? Okay.
I'm overdrawn.
All right, here we go. Let's try another one. And we will go to our go-to person on this one will be our Chase customer. I'm just saying. Let's go ahead and pick a really mean one. All right. No.
What is it?
You have an IV.
Oh.
That's pretty clear, Ms. K, right? Thank you.
I thought you just straight
No, it's not like your homework.
Write the symbol AU.
All right, so I'm going to write the symbol AU. AU! Okay?
Chlorine, which is CI.
No, I'm sorry, which?
CL.
CL, yes.
The charge for gold, which is 1.
Why don't you read the first part again?
Oh. What's that Roman again? Liz. Oh, 4. I'm not good.
Okay?
And then -1.
Okay?
And then
And then what?
flip-flop.
Crisscross. Okay, talk to me.
So positive 1 for gold.
No, there's no positive.
Just a regular 1.
Yes, it's just the amount. AU, I only have one. Okay?
And then chlorine, chloride 4.
Natalie, does that make sense? Yes, I am going to continue to ask you questions and check for understanding. David, make sense?
Yes.
I think you just transfer your cough over to Eric over there. You okay?
What?
You okay?
Yeah.
All right. RJ, any questions? No. Okay, I'm going to move on. So so far we've done our both binary ionic. One of them, or some of them were simple binary ionics. The other ones were with transition multivalent metals. Okay, well, let's go ahead and move on. And should I be mean? Yes. Okay, I'm just making sure. Let's go with okay. Do we have? Oh, Keith is up and ready to go. Let's do this. See you.
2.
Give me the charge. All right. Did you guys see that? Well, bam.
PO3.
So PO3.
Oh, and then, I don't know what charge that is.
What does it say next to?
-3.
Yes. Okay.
Crisscross. And then copper has 3. And phosphite have 2.
How do I indicate that?
PO3, then 2 of that.
No.
Parentheses 2.
Where's the 2 go?
Outside.
You're right. It goes to the outside, but you said up top.
Yeah.
So you want to put the 2 here?
Yeah.
No. It's down here to indicate the amount of PO3s I have. It's a subscript. Okay? All right. It is a transition polyatomic. That was a mean one. We good? David, questions? No. Okay. Move on. I'm going to throw you some mixed stuff here. Okay. Trisulfur tetrachloride. You want to try, Keith? Okay.
3S. 4.
For what?
CL. I'm trying to say 5S.
Is he right? No. Well, the way you wrote it, the way you said it,
Number in the front.
Brennan,
No, never mind.
yeah, you were just about there and then said no. Someone just said it. Eric, help him out.
You flip them.
Flip what?
The S first.
Okay.
And CL.
So S, subscript 3,
And CL 4.
subscript 4. Okay? Does that make sense? See, the subscripts here tell us the amount of each one we have. You guys don't want to get to coefficients just yet, because that's when we get to balancing, and then you guys start to hate me. That's okay. I'm looking forward to it. Questions on that? RJ? Nope. Okay. Moving on. Let's go with. Did I miss any, Miss Kay, that I should throw in there? Oh, I'm supposed to write them out, aren't I? Duh. I did that wrong. I gave you guys the... My bad. Let's go with... There you go. Ammonium carbonate.
Ammonium's NH4 positive charge.
Okay.
Carbonate is CO2 with a -2 charge.
Okay. All right.
Ammonium's gonna have 2
How do I write that?
NH4 2.
NH42?
No, 2 goes up top.
What did we just say about up tops?
Never mind, parentheses.
Ah, so I need a parentheses. So NH4 is inside the parentheses. The 2 is outside the parentheses. Okay?
Then just CO2.
Yes, I don't need parentheses for that because there's only one of them. Questions? Comments? No concerns? Okay. Let's try another one. Let's go with...
See your mom. Your mom.
Okay. I have cobalt-3 nitrate. What is this? What type of compound? Well, it is multivalent because you have your Roman numerals, yep. And because we know it's multivalent, it's also ionic, right? Because I've given charges. Covalent doesn't have charges. Okay. What else? What's the ending of the last of the, what's the ending look like? It's an ATE, which means it's a what? It's polyatomic. Okay? All right, so, well, let's start us off. RJ? CO3, is that what you're saying? Like that? Okay, so you don't want a big C, big O, 3. So I'm gonna. What do you want me to get rid of?
Big O.
Okay, and okay. So,
Little O.
okay.
And then 3 at the top.
So you're saying the charge is positive 3. Okay.
And then NO -1.
NO -1. You found nitrate on your thing, right?
Oh, the street, right?
And it was just NO. That's it?
Oh, NO2 -1.
What's the ending here again?
Oh, 3. Sorry.
NO3, and your charge is -1. Okay. What do I do next? I'm going to crisscross.
It'll be CO NO 3 parentheses 3.
Okay. Questions? No questions? Okay. Should I throw any others at them, or did I miss anything? Okay. All right. I am stopping this. Goodbye.